Now what our diodes do is our diodes will chop some of that sine wave off, and that's where the term clipping comes from. So for example, if we use one of our BAT41 diodes, it might clip the signal here. And that could be, you know, that's our signal clipped. That's asymmetrical clipping because we've only got one half clipped. Now if we were to add a second diode in facing the opposite direction, you'll notice that when you're building pedals, you'll often see two diodes next to each other facing in opposite directions. Well, this is what's going on. So the second diode that we've just added in would then clip this half of the signal in exactly the same place. And now we have symmetrical clipping. In the Zendrive, we actually have asymmetrical clipping because we have two diodes going in one direction. And if I can ever pick it up, the other diode going in the opposite direction. Now what that means is that if we imagine that our two diodes are on the positive half of the signal, instead of clipping the signal this high up, it's actually going to clip the signal twice as high, so you're going to get twice as much voltage, as it were, or twice as much signal. So it's now clipping up here. So we're actually getting this much of the sine wave unclipped, if you like. So now we've got a mismatch. So we've got, for example, this much clipping on the top, but yet only this much clipping on the bottom, and that is asymmetrical.